Hello everyone, welcome to MrITBabu channel, and today I will show Cpanel tutorial. Actually Cpanel, how to change a style and uses different style uses Cpanel. So first we are log into Cpanel. When you first log in Cpanel, then watch this style. Actually this is the smart and this is the smart style, and this name is basic. If you need more style, then click top this section, click and change style. Choose a style to customize your Cpanel interface. For more information, read more documentation. Actually this available now 4 style. Now we are current basic, and if you need dark, then apply, or light, or retro. Actually these 3 style is same, just color is different. Actually this is the white, and this is dark, and another one light, and others retro is different. Actually full change style is different. Like dark we are applying. You already show this is the full style is dark. Sorry. Then go to home. Actually everything is dark section, dark show. And if you need, go to another one and go to this section, click and change style, and another one like a style light, apply. Now we are leave a light, everything background is light. Go to home. And now we are styling another one. Sorry. Then go to change style. Now last style is retro. Click this, apply. Okay, done. This is a retro style. Go to home. And this style is left side server information. This is the retro style, and this style is left side server information. Expand stats to more server information, and right side all option. This is the very simple and very easily working place. I like this style, and I also use every time. So you need again to change previous style. Go to change and basic to apply. Okay, we are back to the first time style. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more tutorial, please subscribe my channel, and you need to more knowledge, go to itbabu.com/knowledge base and subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.